Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to produce cross tabulations in Stata. So in order to do that, I'm working on a dataset. This is a public health dataset, and I found it in website, like web-based data. I'm going to work on two variables today for this demonstration. One is diabetic, which is diabetes status, and another is black, which represent a racial group, so black versus not black. So let me first try to know the variables that I'm working on today. So I'll use a command called describe. So I'm gonna explore more about my data or the variables that I'm using. Diabetes and black. Okay. So as you can see, the diabetes is diabetes status and black is black. So I'm gonna learn more about this data. So using tab command diabetes okay, and hit enter, and then you can see there are two different groups in diabetes status. One is diabetic and one is not diabetic. So as you can see, like 499 people in the data set have diabetes, right, out of 10,349 people. Okay, so now we're going to try to learn more about this. So same thing, you can use tab command and black to know more about your variable. So in this data set, 1,086 people are black and others are not black. Okay, and 10,351 are the total observations. Maybe there are some data missing here. Must be two data observations are missing, right? So okay, so now we have learned our data. Now we are going to produce a cross tabulation. So we'll now try to understand the diabetes rates by racial groups. Okay, so we are gonna use again tab, but this is the two-way cross tabulation. Okay, so for which we use two different variables, right? Diabetes and black. So now it gives you the raw numbers like diabetes. And not black, 413 people have diabetes, and the black, 86% people have 86 people have diabetes. But we do not know the percent yet, so we're going to use a an option called column, so that we can produce column percentages, right? So hit enter, and you see this column percentages. So you see diabetes for black, it's about 8% people. This is the percentage, right? So we produce a column percentage, first frequency and then column percentage. So 8% of the black population have diabetes, and about 4.5% that are not black have diabetes. Okay, so now we can compare these two groups, because we're getting the percentage, because and so it's now comparable, so we can know the disparity that exists between black and not black, because it's been historically found that black have experienced disparities in a lot of public health outcomes. So diabetes is the one, so it makes sense completely. But now I'm going to show you also a row percentage. Okay, so in comparing like two groups in terms of diabetes rates, we use the column percentage. Okay, so this is the way we interpret is like the diabetes rates by black. If you do any kind of advanced statistical analysis, you might treat diabetes as your outcome variable and race as your independent variable. Okay, so instead of column, we're gonna use row, so that we produce row percentages. So now look at not diabetic and diabetic groups. So so this is among the diabetic groups. Among the diabetes, 17% are black. Okay, and among diabetes, those who are not black are 82% or 83%. Okay, so this is how we interpret this is the flip. So we compare diabetes rates by black here or race here in column percentages, and then row percentages we compare the racial composition by diabetes or non-diabetes. I hope this makes sense. And that's all about cost stabilization in Stata. If you really find my videos helpful, please subscribe my channel. Also like, share, and comment. And also, if you want to comment on what videos you want, I'll try to produce videos for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.